video I tell you about defining parts of the basic fluid mechanics. So, so what is fluid mechanics? Fluid mechanics and what is parts and what is I told you everything. So fluid mechanics deals with the behaviors of fluids uh, at rest as well as in the motion. So I write definition. Fluid mechanics. Okay. Yeah. So it what is it? It is the it steals the behavior of fluid. So it deals with the behavior of fluid. Fluid may be liquid or gas, anything, or fluid at rest as well as in motion. Okay, so it is the definition of fluid mechanics, and now mm, there are some parts. So fluid mechanics divided into three parts. Fluid mechanics divides into three parts. Number one, number one is fluid statics. It is a fluid statics, and there is another name is hydrostatics. And number second is fluid kinematics. Fluid kinematics. And number third is fluid dynamics. So what is this? It is a study of fluid at rest. It is a study of fluid at rest. And what is fluid kinematics? It is a study of fluids in the motion. Study of fluid in the motion where the force and energy causing motion is not considered. Where the force and energy causing motion isn't considered. But but in fluid dynamics, it is also a study of fluid in the motion, but in the fluid dynamics it is where the force and energy causing motion it is considered. There is only difference between fluid kinetics and fluid dynamics. So it is also the study of fluid in the motion with the consideration of the force and energy and energy is causing motion. Okay, after that some types of fluid means solid, liquid and gas. There are main types. Matter exists in two principal forms actually. Matter exists in two forms. Number one is solid, and number two is fluid. And after that, fluid is divided in two parts. There is liquid and gas. So there is some different in this. According to according to the intermolecular bonds are very weak in gas and weak in liquid, but strong in strong or very strong in solid. So I make a figure for it. There are three stages of the matter. It is gas, liquid and solid. In gas, they are molecules, they are so far distance between these. Okay, but in liquid they are some near. They have a more attractive bond, strong bond than gas, but in solid they are more strong bonds. It's like that. Okay, they are fulfilled by molecules. Now you are able to see that there are so big difference between gas, solid, liquid, and gas. And now there are some different. Liquid occupies the vessels fully or partially depending on its mass. They are, I am toting out these two. Liquid occupies the vessels fully or partially depending on its mass. On its mass, and it is in the forms a free surface with the atmosphere. It forms a free surface with the atmosphere, and the gas expands to fill. However, the gas expands to fill any vessel in which it is contained, in which it is contained, which it is contained and doesn't form any free surface, and doesn't form any free surface. That uh, I also make a figure for this, that we have two vessels. It is for gas or liquid. If we put some gas in it, so it is expand in all the whole volume of the vessels. It fill, but when we put some liquid in that vessels, so it makes a free surface. It's make a free surface which is connected with content with atmosphere. It is atmosphere means, okay, it is liquid but gas doesn't. It is expand in all the inside the vessels. Okay, so now I tell something more about gas and liquid. So the liquid like solids can be regarded as incompressible. So I make table. Consider liquid and gas. Okay, some differences. Via definition, number point first. So a given mass of liquid a given mass of liquid has a definite volume. Has a definite volume independent of the size dent of the size or shape of the container. However, it changes its shape earlier and acquire the shape of its container. But in gas, a given mass of gas given mass of gas has no fixed volume. Has no fixed volume and it expands continuously to complete fill any container in the which is it placed. So second point, it's a free surface. It's have free surface. It is point 0.1 of gas, point 0.2 of gas. It doesn't. It's means no free phase, or I say that no free surface is formed. One third of liquid is it is incompressible. It is in it is incompressible for the all practical purpose for the all practical purpose, but gases are readily compressible. Point 4 of liquid is pressure and temperature change. Pressure and temperature changes have practically no effect on the volume of a liquid. No effect on the volume of a liquid. A gas expand infinitely in the absence of pressure in the absence of pressure and contract easily under pressure. Okay, and now some example of liquid is water, kerosene, petrol, etc. are liquid. They are and gases are such like air, ammonia, or carbon dioxide, etc. are the gases. So thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks.